if you love movie night as much as I do, and you want to make the night special, or you want to have just a fantastic gift for somebody, you might want to look at this. This has so many things, and this review, what I'm going to do is open it up, show you everything that you get, so that way you'll know exactly how much fun you're going to have. Now it comes in this really nice gift box. It says movie night gift box. You can see here kind of what it looks like here on the sides. We got the popcorn and the movie reel right through here, and then when they open it up, they're going to get this. I mean, right away you're saying movie night, we're ready to go, we're going to have a lot of fun. It also comes with this cute little sticker here that's letting you know you're getting ready to have just a great time. Right away you can see we have a ton of goodies. There's so much to see. You can't just see it just right here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just pull everything out, spread it out, and we're going to go over everything that you're going to get. So you can see here now that I've got everything laid out. It is quite a bit, isn't it? It's 42 items. There's plenty enough. Everything's really kind of designed for 4 people, so it's plenty enough for everybody. So for instance, we're going to put our popcorn in here. All these just kind of fold together. Just fold these 4 corners down. You got plenty of room for your popcorn. And what's good about it too is it actually comes with the popcorn. These come with 3 bags here, so that's plenty enough to go ahead and put in here. Of course, these are movie theater Pop Secret. It's all butter, which I absolutely love. We also have 4 different wristbands here. These are the kind you just put on there like that, and they just snap. You can pop them back out, and you're ready to go. You can see here it says Showtime right through here. This is like a little movie reel. These are all themed for Showtime, movies, watching TV with the movies on the screen. Also, we've got some Swedish fish. We've got 2 bags of those. We've also got 4 beef sticks here. We got plenty of our licorice. I mean, that's a pretty nice bag here. That's more than enough for my family and my grandkids when they come over. We've also got some Planters peanuts. All this stuff is fresh, all in date, which is really important too. And then we've also got a movie prop here. That's pretty cool. Made of cardboard right here. So these are things, some of these things are things you're just not going to throw away. This is something you're going to keep. The gift box is something you can keep. And of course it says the production. You can go ahead and fill this in here. And with anything that you need to. Also comes with the movie night bingo. That's pretty fun. You could do this, maybe make an intermission, do this before or after the movie. We've got 4 cards in here. We've got 4 markers to go ahead and give everyone so they can play. We've also got 2 different types of Pringles here. Little packets of M&M right here, the fun size. And who doesn't love the Sour Patch Kids? I love these. It also comes with some Smarties here. I mean, these have been around for ages. I grew up with these too. We've got some lollipops here. Also, we've got some Oreo cookies, a package. And then also some chocolate chip cookies, some Chips Ahoy. We do have some Cheez-Its here. We've got 2 bags of those. So we've got everything for enough for have a nice, good, fun movie night. This is a total of 4 people. Of course, if it's just 2 people, now you've got twice as much. It's really got everything you need. And also I love this gift box here. This is something you can continue to use too. I love this is kind of a movie prop too to put everything in. Makes wonderful gifts, whether it's Christmas, any of the holidays, Father's Days, birthdays, I mean, you name it. This is definitely going to bring a smile on my face and my family when they see this. A big plus here, what I love, is this is actually a US-based small business company that's female owned. I want to support our American companies here, and this is definitely a great way to do that. Hope you found this review helpful.